If 27 to the power x is equal to 9 by 3 to the power x, then find the value of x. Here given 27 to the power x is equal to 9 by 3 to the power x. This we can write as 3 to the power 3 whole to the power x is equal to 3 to the power 2 divided by 3 to the power x. Now, using exponential rules, we can write this as 3 to the power 3x is equal to 3 to the power 2 minus x. Since base is same, we can write it as 3x is equal to 2 minus x, or we can write it as 3x plus x is equal to 2, or 4x is equal to 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2 by 4, that is 1/2. So this is the answer. If you find this video useful, please like it, share it, and also subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.